Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 5th, 2025, we're dissecting AUDUSD, examining both the news and the charts to equip you with actionable insights. Recent news highlights a complex landscape. Trump's tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China are causing ripples, while hopes for a German stimulus package are boosting the USD and PUSD. Sources indicate concerns that Trump's tariffs could negatively affect the U.S. economy, especially at a fragile time. Let's see if we can see these fundamental factors represented in the price action. Now, looking at the one-day AUDUSD chart, we can see the overall trend has been choppy. The period from late October 2023 to early March 2025 shows significant volatility, with swings both upward and downward. Let's zoom in on the recent price action to see more clearly. I'll narrow down on some more recent candles. I'm going to narrow it down to the range between 173940480000 and 17410464000000. Focusing on that more recent period, we see a downtrend developing. We can see a possible resistance around the 0.64 level that price failed to break. We can also observe a potential support level forming around the 0.62 area, which has been tested multiple times. If the price breaks below 0.62, we could see a further decline. However, if it bounces off this support, a retest of the 0.64 resistance is possible. The tariffs are probably not helping. The news is also supporting the current downtrend. Now let's switch over to the 1-hour chart to examine more recent movement, looking for potential entry points for trading. On the 1-hour chart, we can see recent volatility with price testing support. The news of Trump's tariffs impacting global trade has contributed to this uncertainty. Let's narrow the time frame again to look more recent. We'll look at the range between 174103200000 and 17410464000000. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see a more defined downtrend. The price is currently hovering around 0.622. A break below this level could signal a further drop, while a bounce could lead to a retest of the 0.624 resistance. The overall short-term trend is bearish, although there could be a short-term bounce. A break below 0.62 support would embolden short positions, especially if combined with further negative tariff news from the U.S. Let's quickly go over the key levels again. Major resistance is around 0.64. Support is near 0.62. On the shorter time frame, we're watching 0.622 for a possible breakdown. Given the tariff uncertainties and the current downtrend, a break below 0.62 is reasonably likely, say 60% probability, especially if the U.S. continues tariff escalations. On the other hand, a rebound to 0.64 is less likely, around 40%, but possible if there are positive developments in global trade negotiations or if the German stimulus package positively affects markets. Keep an eye on upcoming jobs reports and retail earnings, as these will likely influence the USD and, consequently, AUDUSD. Good luck and happy trading!